Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for the AAA cards challenges. It's number 166 and we turn 6. So this is the card I made. And as I said, it's our 6th birthday. Yay! Usually we have many sponsors, but because of the current worldwide situations, we thought best not to pester them too much because they're all small companies. Instead, we have one gift certificate that we will give away. You can find all the details on the AA Cards Challenge blog. The link is down below. And also the link to this fabulous digi. I think because he has stitch lines, he could be a stuffed hippo, like a plushie. But I colored him semi-realistic, I would say, because I'm not entirely sure if his nose is that grey. But I think there's quite a few flesh-colored bits showing through, but I didn't like that, so I left those out. So that's all I do is actually color it and then put it on the card base. So I will just turn on the music and you can enjoy it. I sped it up to 100%, so twice my normal speed. But still doable. 15 minutes I think it took. Thank you for watching. I hope you will join us to celebrate our 6th birthday, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.